Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat. And in this video, I would like to show you my completed kit from Diamond Dotz Sunrise. This kit was purchased from a physical store, Marie Maxime, as far as I remember, because it was on sale. I cannot say that I liked the design very much. It is really very cute, and it is Thomas Kinkade's collection, and you know that Thomas Kinkade is one of my favorite artists, so I decided to purchase it. The specification of the kit: this is a full round drill diamond painting kit. This size is standard 40 by 50 centimeters, my favorite size. The name of the kit is Sunrise. As I just mentioned, this is Thomas Kinkade's series. It's not the first Thomas Kinkade series kit that I'm diamond painting. But to tell you the truth, I have a feeling that exactly this collection is least detailed of all Diamond Dotz kits. I'm not sure why. I mean, I do love the final result, but I still think this very design could be more detailed rendered, although it is still very nice, very itemized. Now, this kit comes on a fabric-based canvas. It contains 30 colors. All drills were resin, but as you could probably have already noticed, I did customize this kit and replaced two colors with sparklers. There is one. And the second color that I replaced, it was yellow. I customized it with the pearl, yellow pearl drills and glow in the dark ones. Here they are. That's how it looks finished. I did not have any problems diamond painting this kit, as all the kits from Diamond Dotz, you know that the quality is amazing. But it did take me sometimes, first of all, because I didn't diamond paint every day, and second of all, like on the bottom of the picture, there was too much confetti, so it was kind of time consuming. So in the end, I do love how it turned out. I think it is gorgeous, and most likely I will give it away as a gift. I do not remember how much it was, maybe around $20, maybe even less than that. It was marked down. So I will leave the link in the description box below for this kit, but I believe it is sold everywhere. Michael's, Joanne, Hobby Lobby, Marie Maxime. Just look for the one that is on sale now. Now I'm going to frame it, and you will see how it looks behind the glass. That's how the diamond painting looks. I think it turned out beautiful. The frame is very simple. the same that I always purchase from Michaels. It was also on sale. Buy one, get one free. It is compressed wood acrylic glass. As you can see, it does not take away any sparkle. Again, I'm trying to catch an angle to show you the sparkle, but unfortunately, it's not working. But the sparkle is amazing as all Diamond Dotz kits. So here it is. So that's how it looks. Completed. Again, if you like the final result, go ahead and purchase it. If you don't, then save your money for something that you are going to enjoy more. This is all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. See you soon.